Today, we will do an extremely important trade recap, and I'll share my 5 secrets that I have learned in the trading business after 10 years. You'll have to watch this video 5-10 times to embrace these secrets. If you're ready, let's do this. Let's keep talking about the hottest coin of the recent days, BOME. Remember, at the end of this video, I'll share the 5 biggest secrets of the trading industry. Not much else to say. Let's do a top-down analysis. As we recently talked about this coin, we already know that we are heading towards this weekly imbalance and asking ourselves a very simple question of, can we fill this imbalance? We protected the long bias on this coin. In the daily chart, with the failure of this gigantic imbalance, buyers gained power, and the price powered from the support and resistance flip area with the help of smaller imbalances. From there, price gained momentum upwards. As a second thought, we also think this parabolic liquidity. Price was already clearing this liquidity. Can we fully clear all the liquidity with the weekly imbalance above? Strong long bias again. When I looked at the momentum chart, I saw this beautiful price switch below. Price taps all the hourly imbalances and fill up, and the price switches nicely. Then, what was the problem here? This price action all happened while I was away from home or sleeping. Basically, I was not looking at the screen that time. I'm sure that many of you missed this. However, what I have noticed is this. Price pulled back this 30-minute and 1-hour imbalance again along the road. This was another great chance for us. Let's deep dive and observe this yellow area here. I selected the 3 minutes time frame because it had the best price action possible here. This yellow point here where the price taps and fully fills the 1-hour imbalance. The structure shifts here and creates our initial structure box with a giant imbalance. Also notice what happens on the left. Price swept the internal liquidity as inducement, filled this imbalance, and used the order block to react. We also had these inner equal highs as an inner target. Perfect, right? I made the entry right here. This is an A+++, a superb quality masterclass setup. It was working really well. However, price reacted strongly to equal highs above and pushed the price back, and I ended up with break even, just paying commissions to broker. What does this mean? This brings us to the secrets. Secrets that you all must learn. The secrets that will save your trading career. Secret 1. There is no such a 100% winning strategy. There never was and there never will be. If anyone says their strategy works 100% of the time, he is lying. He can sue me. Run away from that person right now. Secret 2. Define your risk before every single trade. How much money are you risking? $1? $5? $1,000? If you have no definition of a risk, you will lose all your money soon. Secret 3. Learn to cut your losses. I see people who get attached to trades like they are lovers or children. Let it go. Cut the loss. Trading is just a game. Accept and move on. Secret 4. Never ever lose big. I did this. Believe me, I did this. If you start to lose big numbers, you are doomed. Game is over. Your account is gone now. How are you gonna trade if you do not have an account or money? Think about it. Be smart. Final and the most important secret. Trading is just a game of mathematics and statistics. One win, one loss, one break even. None of this matters. It is all about the data from the long run. You need to work on in trading blocks of 100 trades. Choose a strategy, anything. RSI divergence, RSI overbought, smart money concept, it doesn't matter. And use it 100 times and observe the results. Keep repeating this until you find some consistency. Okay friends, this was an extremely valuable video. Please watch the last part multiple times. Take care for now and see you next time.